Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about new lesson. It's about best fit lines lesson. So let's start. Okay, when collecting real life data, so we're going to talk about statistics. When collecting real life data, data means information. The points rarely form a straight line. Okay, guys? Okay, so however, the points may approximate a linear relationship. In this case, a best fit line may be used. So when you collect data information, it doesn't give you a perfect here line, a perfect straight line, but we can approximate here and approximate the linear relationship and do a best fit line and do a line if it's like this one. Okay, and I need to do what? I need to have here an approximation for the linear relationship to have the best fit line that's drawn close to all of the points, and this is very important. So that's drawn in, okay, to all or close to all, make it close to all to the points of data. In short, it's the line that best fits all points. Best fit lines might help you to write equations for a set of data and predict what may happen if the data continues in the same trend. Okay, we have to understand this very well. So, we have here an example. The table shows dishes height at various ages. Use the information to make scatter plot, draw a best fit line, and write an equation for the data. Wow! So I'm going to do all of this, yeah, and it's very easy. Again, so the question is what? To use here the information given to make a scatter plot. Okay, draw, then after putting the scatter plot, what's the scatter plot? Please let me revise it or remember it. The scatter plot is to put here the dots here, whatever you got. So 10, 57. So we've got here 10, and then we put we put here the point, the point on exactly here 57, which is opposite to y-axis. Okay. Okay, so 10, the edge is here for x-axis, and here the height of the in inches with the y-axis. Okay, so the first step is to put your here data on the graph by using the scatter plot. So I'll give you the graph like this without this line, and you draw this line, and after drawing the scatter after drawing the dots. So the first dot we've got here 10 and 37. So 10 on x-axis go up until 37, which is opposite to y-axis. We're about 11, it's 60. 11 on x-axis and go up until 60 and draw your point. We're about 12 and 13 and so on. Then I have got here 15 with 68 and 15 with 0.68. So guys, after drawing the dots, I will draw what? I will draw a best fit line, that it, okay, I will draw a line here that's very close to all points, that's containing here all points. Okay, then after that he asks you what? He asks me another question. Yeah, write an equation for the data. Oh my god. So after drawing the dots, I will draw the best fit line, then I will make what? Write an equation for the data. So m equals, what's this? Remember, m equal y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. You remember this? Yeah. So this is the slope here equation. So what I'm going to do now, I have here y sub 2. Okay, so I'm going to talk about y minus y sub 1. So let's have another one. When I talk about y sub 2, if I choose here 62, this is for, and I know this is for y. Please concentrate. It's very easy. Don't panic. This is 62, guys. Okay, and I need x. This is okay, x, and this is y. I need 2 points. I need 2 points. So I'm going to choose 2 what? I'm going to choose 2 here rows. Okay, for x and y, or 2 ordered pairs. Let it be very easy and simple. I'm going to choose 2 ordered pairs. Okay, 2 points here. Each point here gives me an ordered pair. So 62 and 12, okay, and 68 and what, guys? And 15. So you got here, guys, 12 and 62 and another order pair, which is 15 and 68. And I'm going to use my formula, the slope formula, and get here the slope. So so this is what x sub 1, x sub and this is y sub 1, this is x sub 2, this is y sub 2. 68 minus 62 over 15 minus 12. Okay, or why did you write it here by another way? It's the same. Okay, so I write it here. Okay, guys, I want to write it for you again. This is the y's. Okay, this is the x's and this is the y's. So I'm going to have y sub 2. Where is y sub 2? Here we chose this and this. Okay, I can choose any two order pair. Yeah, you can choose any two order pairs. So I have here y. Where is y? It's here 15. Okay, it's here I want here to write y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2, not to be here confused, over x sub 1. So I'm going to have here y sub 2, which is 62. Okay, let it be here 62 minus what? Minus 68. And 12 minus what? Minus 15. Ms. Dina, can I say y sub 1 minus y sub 2? Yeah, it will give you the same answer. Don't panic. Okay, so after here doing this, I got here and I write it here for you, x sub 1 equal 15, y sub 1, x sub 2 and y sub 2. Okay, after doing so and simplifying, you got here the slope will be 2. After simplifying, 62 minus 68 over 12, 62, guys, minus, I want to make it for you not to get confused at home, minus here 15. 62 minus 68, so you got here what? You got here 8 minus 2 gives you 6, negative 6. And you got here 12 minus 15, negative 3. Negative goes with negative 6 divided 3 gives you 2. Okay, and remember that if I subtracted here, if I said 68 minus 62 here over 15 minus 12, it will get you the same 2. So don't panic if you make y sub 2 minus y sub 1 is the same as y sub 1 minus y sub 2. It's okay. Okay, guys, so the slope is 2. After finding the slope, what should I do? I got the slope. Write your, okay, here y-intercept form, y equal mx plus b. Okay, so y here, I got here y, it's what? It's 62. You choose order pair, which is 62 and what? 62 with 12. Okay, so 62 equal m. What is m here? M here is 2 times x. X here is 12 times 12, right? Yeah, plus b. So I can get b easily. Yeah, 2 times 12, 24. 24 will goes to the other side, and 62 minus 24 gives you 38 down. 38 will be equal b. So yeah, you here rewrite the equation y equal what? 2x plus b, which is 38. Easy one. Okay, let's summarize what we have taken in this example. We have 3 steps. We did 3 steps. He asks me here about what? About to gather the information and make a scatter plot, then draw a best fit line, then write an equation for the data. So I have here the data given in this table, and I'm going to give you this graph like this, and you draw first of all make the scatter plot. So I'm going to draw the dots, 10 and 57, 10 for x's and 57 for y. Okay, guys, 10 and go here on x-axis 10, then go until 57. This is 57. Okay, then all the dots I will draw. After this, what should I do? To draw a best fit line. So it will here, it will here collect as much as I can from the dots together by drawing a line. After that, I will make an equation. How can I make an equation? I will choose 2 ordered pairs. So I choose this time this one and this one. Okay, 2 ordered pairs, and use your formula here and the slope formula. So I got here the slope. After finding the slope, write the intercept form. Okay, choose one order per this time and substitute the values. Then you got the equation. Easy one? I think it is. Okay, guys, you've got here some examples to practice. I need you to do this, okay, as homework. And if you have any problem, please let me know. And you've got here the end answers to check your answers. Okay, thank you for listening. Bye bye, my dear students.